Hello guys, ngayon pala Roblox tayo kasama kapatid ko. Wait lang guys. Ay, tagalimutan ko. Guys, naglag lang ako. Yan. That's 99 is in the forest. Yung mag 99. What do you mean? Find the code. Check hide and seek. Find the code. Shoot the bagel. Order this is setting. Naglag na naman ako guys. Oh. MM2. Where ka yan? Wala. Des, we need. Pwede tayo magsalita. Sa MM2 pwede magsalita. Ito na. MM2 pwede magsalita. Guys, naglag na naman ako. Yan si Nais Dipit. Bro, wait for me, bro. Tayo mo ako. Post. Guys, I wanna tell you something. I said you have a come on, Big Mac. You can have not a 6-pack. One, two, three. Sheriff nga ako, ikaw. Ano ka? Sabi ka ng totoo. Sabi ka. Isanan? Kailangan mo patayin ng murder. Nasa likod mo! Ay, kala ko nasa likod. Ay, don't. Ay, papatayin ako. Parang papatayin ako eh, pero hindi naman. Kukuchi na. Not good. We don't know. Bro, he's sweet, bro. May magpapatay sa'yo. Joke lang. Hey, may magpapatay sa'yo. Bruh. Who is the mother?
Suspicious eh, no?
Oh!
Yan nga, yan!
Yung ano lang.
Yan.
Pagdapat mo. Sayang.
Guys, hindi na ako marunong mag-murderer. Ba't ganon? What the frick?
Ow. Shit. Oh! The murder. I know that though. I know that. I know who is that. Who is that? That like that. That is the owner.
Narinig mo ko dyan? Tara, ano tayo?
Ilagay mo nga to sa
Ay, papalitan ko to. Boom, tapos yung ano ko naman.
Oh my god. Where'd you pick, bro?
Look out, bro. I have this. Bruh.
Bro, what happened, bro? What just happened?
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know. I said I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, his name. Oh my god. Lapilis pa tayo ng ano, kutsilyo. Tangkad mo naman.
Ay, kala ko magiging sheriff na naman ako. Pangit ko daw pagka-sheriff ako eh. Diba? Sabi, pangit ko daw kalarap pag-sheriff ako, no?
Tanggo ako dito. Talo agad ng sheriff eh. Wala pang nakukulit na pera. Wee wee. Yeah, bro.
Ano ka?
Magkalaban na kayo.
Bakit ano ka?
Sheriff.
Isunent. Sunent ako. Bro!
Target na.
Bro! Bro! Ah!
Yes, get in. Okay, okay. Wala na, wala na.
Sige. Sige.
I'm dead.
Kuhain nyo na.
Wala na nga, wala na. Wala na nga.
Ayun o, ano yan?
Wala na. Wala na dyan yung baril ko.
Ayun o. Ano ka?
Wala na, wala na.
probably gonna get sent home for speaking when I'm not spoken to, but I think I'm headed home anyway.
Ano yung pinapangarap ko na maging... Hindi, ano.
And if I know my boss, he's gonna kick me out the door, but he's gonna do it on air. So I hope this is for the world to see.
Yan Cena.
Chicago, I know
Nino.
this is CM Punk's town.
Yan Cena, Jobs.
This is a wrestling town. Tonight,
Ah! Buwang na
Illinois. All of us, good guys, bad guys, big guys, small guys, all of us, everything we have, every night for you guys.
Oh,
And if I gotta take a vacation,
Huh?
so be it. If I'm going away for a while, I just want to say thanks for one hell of a last ride. I feel great tonight, even with this Chicago crowd. They may not like me.
Bruh. What happened? What happened, Bella? My screen is dark.
If I'm going out, I wouldn't want
your screen is dark. Me too.
to thank you guys so much. Get home safe.
Ano ka? Internet.
Listenin.
Oh my God. The border. Huh? Border, sir.
Tara, dito tayo. Press na.
Uy, kaya mo yung bala ng barilo?
Nakita ko, kuya. Sino namatay?
Stop.
Sino namatay? Kala ko kanina namatay.
Ito na.
Ma. Di ba mataas yung sapatos?
Secret.
Nah, bro.
Get in, right. Start. Start. Right now. No,
Ha!
Halata ba yun?
oh my God.
Oh,
What are you?
pero halata.
Ah! Ma!
Kaya nga inaano ko ngayon, hindi masyado halata.
Nah, bro.
Pag ako binaril, talo talaga tayo. Oh my God.
Ladies and gentlemen, earlier tonight, an absolutely
Kamatay ka pa.
uncomfortable interview with Randy Orton. It was frightening, it was strange at times.
Oh my God, how did you do that?
Saan mo? Tulungan.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. My friend. Dipit tayo.
Yup, dipit tayo.
Bakit na ganito?
Oo nga. Again? Not again, bro.
Chopik. What did you know this? Oh, that's it. That's it.
What the frick?
Internet.
Insunet, hindi insunet. Insunet, sunet.
Ay, may malit.
May secret ba yata dito?
Sino ba rin?
Nah, bro, merong ano dito yung murderer.
Ay, bro. Bro.
Bro, this guy is thick.
Baka yun yan ito ka.
Kaya ako ma.
Hindi ko ngayon alam.
Guys, gusto niyo makita ang mukha ko? Ito ako yung nagbibideo ako guys. Ito guys. Diba?
Norton say earlier, he does what he wants, when he wants to, whoever